What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Gigo, and today's video is all about a house viewing I had opportunity to see, and I would like to share it with you guys. Why am I showing you this house? Because I think it is a decent house design for people who want to move back to the motherland to start a new life. This house has 1.5 bedroom, an open kitchen to the living room, a washroom, a bathroom, and a garden. This house can easily fit on a quarter plot and shouldn't cost you more than $50,000 to build. Building in Ghana is not easy and cheap these days, so if you are thinking of building a mansion or with a lot of rooms, you really have to think about the structure and the size of the house. That's why I'm sharing this design with you, which you can use as a boys' quarters to stay in whilst you are planning to build your bigger mansion, so that it doesn't put much stress on you, so you can be traveling up and down the country and you can stay in this house whilst you are watching your projects, your bigger projects, because it is not easy to pump in a lot of money into your project and then when you go for a visit, all you see are blocks. It's really crazy when you put in so much money and then you go and then all you see are just blocks and cement. Like, it's really crazy. So this is my advice to my brothers and sisters who are living in the diaspora, who wants to go home and build a house and make a property. My advice is that you can buy the 2 plots, the 3 plot, the quarter plot, but first build a guest house. We say a guest house or boys' quarters, just a self-contained, something nice which you can stay in for 2 to 3 years whilst focusing on a bigger picture, your bigger mansion, so it doesn't put much stress on you. Because I have experienced this where I started with a bigger project and I'm like, wow, this is too much, it's just me. I'm not going to live in 4 rooms and 5 rooms, so let me go with a smaller project, which I also started, and then later on it starts get big now. So my advice is that if you have a 1 plot, it's cool, it's nice, just put boys' quarters there, just a single room with just an open kitchen, with just something just for you, and maybe for friends who will come and visit. And then it takes much stress on you, and then you can focus on the bigger mansion and you can take your time. Because let's say if you have a house design this year, 2021, and it's going to take you 3 years to finish the house or 5 years to finish the house. By the time you are done with the house, that house design is already like not modern anymore. There are going to be different kind of modern house, and then you might not like this design. So I think it's really nice and advisable if you go with a smaller project on the piece of land, and then you take your time and then you do your research, and then you can come up with a nice building which you'll be happy in the future. And one thing I've also learned is that when you start building, you get to learn more. So if you start with this small project, with this small boys' quarters, you will learn more things and it will get you ready for the bigger picture. It is not really easy to build in Ghana, going through, just dealing with workers and so this is a little bit tip and advice I would like to share with you guys before we get into the video. I hope it makes sense to someone. Let's get into the video. with me till this far. I hope this video gives you an idea and helps you in a way. If it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, kindly please do so you don't miss out on my latest uploads. And please don't forget to like this. I'm still continuing with my projects, building a house in Ghana and sharing tips and the cost involved. If you are interested in building in Ghana, this is the channel for you to follow. Thank you once again, and I will see you in the next video. Like a dewy.